Hi, today we're going to talk about how to insert images the easy way into Google Sheets. Here's my chart, and I want to add something in this completed column. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all of the cells that I want to add something into. And for the starter one, I'm going to try to do a checkbox and see what that looks like. So I'm going to insert the checkbox into all of those cells. And when I do that, yeah, that's okay. I can just click the little checkbox in there. But you know, my kids are smaller and they like happy faces or sad faces or they like a little bit other things than just the checkbox. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those checkboxes off, and I'm actually going to click on this cell right here. I'm going to click Insert. I'm going to go down to Image, and I'm going to have the ability to image within a cell or an image over the cell. So I'm going to choose Image within a cell. That way it gets trapped inside that cell. So I click on Image in a cell, and now I can search for images. And if I use the Google search, of course, it's copyright friendly. So I'm going to type in here smiley face. And ooh, I really like this one. So I'm going to click on the smiley face, click use there, and now you're going to see my smiley face appear. And now all I have to do is copy that and paste it into other cells. And my kids can do this as well. So copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Really super, super easy. Love it. But what if I don't want an image in the cell? I want it over the cells. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go over here to Insert, right? I'm going to go down to Image, and this one, Image over cells, okay? And when I click Image over cells, what's going to happen is it's going to give me those same options that I had before where I could search, and I'm going to use Google search again, and I'm going to actually use the same image because I really like that image so much. Smiley face again, and there's my smiley face right there. Click on it. That's the one we're going to select, and now it's going to actually just put it over the cell, and as you can see, I can drag it anywhere all over the cells on the spreadsheet. It's just there. I can even I could even copy paste it all over the place, but it's not trapped in a cell like the other ones are. And that's how you insert an image the easy way into Google Sheets. Thank you for watching.